Today we're looking at the 2018 Chevrolet Cruze Premier in an Arctic Blue Metallic. This one is powered by a 1.4 liter turbo engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside we have our black interior, leather heated seats on both sides with our power seat controls here at the bottom left. And of course up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel. Inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in navigation to go alongside our Bluetooth capabilities. Of course, further along down below, you'll find our heated seat controls to go alongside our volume scroll wheel, our climate controls, our shifter here in the middle, as well as our 2 cup holders, and of course, our wireless charging pad. Making our way through the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we do have our automatic power windows, and right above that, we have our handle with our power locks, and of course, our adjustable side mirror controls. Down here, you'll find our automatic high beam controls. If we take a look at the steering wheel here on the right hand side, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. And of course on the left hand side, you'll find our cruise control settings, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and of course our heated steering wheel controls. If we put this vehicle into reverse, you will see it does come equipped with a built-in rear view camera, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with remote start, push start ignition, and keyless entry. Last but not least, we do have our lovely sunroof up top with our power controls here. Jumping onto the back here, we still have our black interior, leather heated seats on both sides. Plenty of legroom for anyone sitting back here. And of course, in the middle, you'll find our heated seat controls to go alongside our AC outlet down below. Behind the passenger seat, you'll find a cubby with additional storage, as well as these seats are retractable, which gives you access to the back, no problem, as well as our cup holders here in the middle. Checking out the exterior here on the Chevy Cruze, of course we have our Chevy bow tie badge in the middle of our black grille with chrome accents along the front, as well as our RS badging down below. We also have paint protection along the front of the vehicle, and down below you'll find our lovely 18-inch rims on our tires here. Up top we have chrome accents along all of our windows, as well as our handles with keyless entry. Making our way to the back here, you'll find our Chevy bow tie badge at the back with the Premier badging as well. And if we open up the trunk here, you'll see plenty of space and storage for anyone needing to store anything in here. And that is our 2018 Chevrolet Cruze Premier in an Arctic Blue Metallic. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.